What's up TikTok? It's Suzamal out here with another video, guys. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. We're out in the CBD, Cape Town, Long Street, and we're gonna check out the Village Buffet. The Village Buffet. Hope you guys are excited for this one. I am. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment if you've been here before. Let's get it.
So this is the decor, guys. It's giving very wedding vibes. And there's actually a stage which you can utilize for functions free of charge. You don't have to pay extra. As you can see, you can take photos there as well. Now we're gonna start with the food. Some nice yellow rice. I'm a big fan of yellow rice, guys. Butternut puree. We got your veggies going. And just to let you know, this was my first time at the buffet. Oh, look at that nice stir-fry noodles, sushi. We got your sausage. We got your ribs as well, and then your seafood. We got some lovely, delicious prawns. And then we're gonna go in for some of this calamari. This is crispy calamari, which we all also have, as well as a piece of hake. I won't lie to you guys, I went full out at this. And just added a small bit of tartar sauce for that. So now we're gonna eat the calamari first. Nice and light, some crispy calamari in that tartar sauce. Look at that bite. Guys, that was phenomenal. Honestly, delicious. This prawns, it was delicious. Very, very nice. The hake was nice and flaky with a bit of